Jump 180 turns. So what we're going to do on this drill is add to our continuous jumps. So continuous jump is just jumping bilaterally as high as we can, on and off the ground as fast as we can, continually doing it. Now we're going to add a 180-degree rotation to this. So the reason we would do that is because sports are not perfect. If I'm a wide receiver and I go up in the air and I go after ball, I may rotate, and I want to be able to kind of learn body control in the air to know where I am so I can possibly run out of that rather than fall down, maybe not complete the catch. And that goes into basketball, that goes into a lot of different sports where we need to learn to be able to rotate in the air and still understand how to land correctly, prepared for that next step, whether it's on the field or on the court. So other points we've got to work on this is we're going to touch the ground on this. For continuous jumps, we just whip our arms. We're going to touch the ground. And the reason I do that with my athletes is to make sure that they sync with their hips and they don't bend over. Because if they bend over, we're not going to get much of that loading of the glute and bending the hips and sinking and bending the knees and getting that load aspect. And so we're not going to be able to jump very high, but it's also not good positioning either. So we're going to touch and keep our chest up, and then as we rotate, we're going to learn to control that rotation, and we're going to try and land exactly in the same spot, anticipating that landing, so on the balls of our feet, ready to go back up the other way. So last tip before I show you is make sure you rotate 180 and then go back where you came from. We don't want you going in a circle getting dizzy. We're going to go 180 and back the 180, and it doesn't matter which way you go, you'll end up where you came from. So if I do this slow, I'm going to touch the ground, jump, rotate, touch the ground with my other hand, and go up, rotate, and land again. So a little bit faster, touch, hit, hit. And you'll notice I'm keeping my weight over my toes, I'm landing on the balls of my feet, and I'm anticipating going right back up, not landing hard. And really I get out of this a lot of good aspects. Learning putting explosive force in and out of the ground, landing, posture, and that biggest thing we just talked about, that body awareness in the air, so we can complete a play and make sure we score that touchdown rather than just falling to the ground.